Hello, Codegeist challengers. Are you ready to build the next big thing on the Atlassian platform? In just a few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to get your development environment set up so you can start building. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly do you need to start building apps on the Atlassian cloud platform? Just three things: a free developer instance, Node.js installed on your machine, and the Forge CLI. The first thing you'll need to do is get your own free developer instance. Even if you have admin access on your company's instances, we strongly encourage you to use a development instance. This gives you your own personal, private Jira and Confluence sandbox to build and test your apps. After logging in with your Atlassian ID, just type in a unique host name for your new dev instance. This will be the URL that you'll use to access your dev instance. Your instance includes fully functional standard versions of a suite of Atlassian cloud products, including Jira Software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, and more. If you're thinking about building an app for Bitbucket or Compass, you can read more about how to create a Bitbucket workspace for development or how to add Compass to your dev instance in the documentation, which we're going to cover later. And once you have your developer instance set up, the next thing we need is the Forge CLI. The Forge CLI, or command line interface, is a tool you'll be using for creating, deploying, and installing Forge apps on your development instance. Just go to go.atlassian.com/forge-101. Here you'll find a complete step-by-step instructional guide for getting the Forge CLI installed. The first step is installing Node.js, and you'll find directions for Mac, Linux, and even Windows PC. And once Node.js is installed, just continue to follow the instructions on the page, and in just a few minutes, you'll have the Forge CLI installed, you'll generate an Atlassian API token, and log into the Forge CLI. Once you've completed those steps, you'll be all set and ready to unleash your creativity. If you do need additional help, don't worry. I'm going to share a set of useful links that you can bookmark and explore later as you embark on building your app for Codegeist. The Atlassian Developer YouTube channel is a great resource for learning and staying on top of our latest developments. There's even a series of bite-sized Forge tutorials that help you learn about the fundamentals of the Forge platform in short 5-minute videos. Just head over to go.atlassian.com/forge-in-5. You'll also find a ton of other videos on the Atlassian Developer YouTube channel that dive deeper into features and functionalities of the Atlassian Developer platform. You should definitely subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to know about the latest developments with Forge and informed when we publish new video tutorials and guides. When you want to dive even deeper, your one-stop shop for all the Forge documentation and product APIs can be found at developer.atlassian.com. You'll find getting started guides, tutorials, and even fully functional sample apps for all of our cloud products, which can really be useful to help you kickstart your Codegeist project. And of course, reference docs covering every detail and aspect of the Forge platform and product APIs. Here you'll find every API resource and method, and even code samples to help speed up your development. And if you hit a snag, or just need a tip to get unblocked, the developer community forums are buzzing with helpful folks ready to lend a hand. Just visit community.developer.atlassian.com. It's a community that's made up of thousands of members, including independent developers, partners, and of course Atlassian team members too. Quick tip, if you post a question about your Codegeist app, just add the tag Codegeist-2024. So, what are you waiting for? With the power of Forge at your fingertips, an abundance of resources to help you get started, and a supportive community behind you, the possibilities are endless. We're all excited to see what you build for Codegeist. Good luck.